Hello, a bit of a different video today. I think a public service to all of my fellow Anki users that like to type in their answers. For example, I am learning a language, and when translating words between languages, there are often multiple ways to translate that word. So it would be a very good function to have when typing in an answer to be able to accept one of many answers. So that's what I've done. This uses only JavaScript, so it should be device agnostic. So let me type in this word is left and right. As you can see, it shows up green. Left to right shows up green. Influence shows up green. And it is case insensitive, so if I type in influence and I capitalize this E, it's going to be correct as well. So if you have anything that is case sensitive, this method will probably require a little bit of tweaking, some JavaScript knowledge. But the way I've done this, let me just pull up the card here, is with this bit of code that I'll be leaving in a GitHub link in the description. I have to credit this to Hinekidori for the original code, but I've modified it to take into account multiple answers. If you don't know anything about JavaScript, the way you're going to implement this is you're going to create this line. You're going to put this line into your template, and inside the div tags, you're going to put in the field that contains the entirety of the correct answer. And for multiple answers, you're going to separate with a semicolon and a space. Or if you have some other consistent set of characters to separate the answers with, you can go all the way down here where it says var answer array. Right here, answer full dot split, and then this set of characters between the quotes. You just replace this with whatever separator that you're using, and then if you can style them by just styling div tag correct and div tag incorrect, as you can see right here. So yeah, short video, but I think people will enjoy this one, especially language learners like me. Yeah, that's about it.